When your table is complete, you'll notice that you can't see any of the data. We can zoom in and out on the graph just like you would on a map or something by using two fingers on a trackpad. And if you slide up, you will see we're going out. You can also scroll the graph by holding down on the mouse button and moving the screen. And that way we can actually get to where we can see these data points in our table. However, you'll still notice they're just crowded right up against the y-axis, and they're not very informative. So we actually need to do something different in order to scale the graph so that the data fills the graph area completely. So to do that, go to the upper right corner, graph settings. It looks a little bit like a wrench. Click on that and look about halfway down in this little pop-out window. It says x-axis, and below that, it's got some numbers. X is between these two numbers. This is actually, where the left-hand edge of our graph ends and the right-hand edge. We can use this to rescale the graph. Almost always, the number we're going to put on the left is 0. For the right-hand number, we want to look at our x values, which go from 8 to 20. And we want to pick a number that's a little bigger than the biggest x value, 20. So let's choose 25. Now you can actually see the data is spread out much more nicely. We're going to do the same thing for the y-axis. Again, on the left-hand side, 0 is almost always going to be appropriate. On the right-hand side, we want to choose a number bigger than 1,743. I like round numbers. I'm going to choose 2,000. There. Now our data covers most of the area of our graph, which is exactly what we want.